So if it seems impossible to get more views on your videos, I'm going to be covering some things that you can do right now and you definitely want to implement so that you can hit the ground running this year. Hey guys, we're gonna dive straight into it. I'm gonna give you some tips, some tricks, and some proven strategies that actually work. And I've been using them on my channel as well, and on a couple of other channels and profiles that I've created also. First things first, the length of your videos matter. Just because TikTok allows you to create 10-minute videos does not mean you have to take advantage of that when creating every single video. A lot of videos that end up on the For You page are usually 15 seconds and below. And if you're really good at editing, ending your video in the right frame can cause your video to have a perfect loop. A perfect loop can get your video to have more views, pushing it to the For You page, pleasing the algorithm, causing it to have this seamless, never-ending, ongoing, which grows your watch time. The shorter the video and the more entertaining will increase the chances of it being on the For You page and being pushed by the algorithm. If you only have 100 followers, what did you do to gain those 100 followers? And the reason why I say that is because if the current base that you have right now is not liking, commenting, and sharing your content, that's actually hurting you. Now, although it is good when you make new content, it does go out to a wider audience, but I would work on consistently pleasing your current base who you have already. What caused them to follow you? What caused them to click like on your video and comment or even share the video? The wisest thing you can do is to double down on content that you know works, that has went viral in the past for you, and that has been proven to be successful. Double down means creating more of that same content, even duplicating the exact same video, but posting it a week later. You have to remember, not all of your followers are going to get notifications. Many get delayed notifications. Some don't even get it at all. I've seen this from my inbox, people commenting on my videos, and when they comment, they put something to the effect, "Why does it say this video was uploaded 2 days ago, but I'm just now getting the notification?" Test your followers with the response time and also test to see if notifications are going out. If you have something that you are sitting on and you know that it is gold, you do not only want to post it one time. If you have something you spent time on and you know that it deserves to reach a wider audience, I highly recommend, at least in the span of your time on TikTok, you post that video at least 3 times, whether it be within that year or within that month. It's going to hit different people at different times, and you won't be disappointed. You will exactly see what I'm talking about. Also, take a poll. Maybe I'll put some examples up. Take a poll and see, what do your followers want to see more of? It does not hurt. It will only help you. It will only help to improve your channel or your profile. And that way you're delivering what it is they came to see. Make sure that you have fun doing what you're doing. You've heard it said before, find something you love, and then if you can find a way to get paid doing it, you will never work another day in your life. I've done that with a website called Fiverr. I found something that I really love doing, and the money was coming in left and right. I didn't have to worry about, a source of income. I did make a decision later to go get a job, but I found an avenue that if I always want to make money, I know where to go to, and I can always make money on that platform. There's a couple of things on TikTok that people are not taking advantage of when they are in this middle ground of not growing and they're just existing on the platform. And that is replying to comments with a video, duetting videos that have 1 million or more likes, not views, but likes, and also commenting and engaging with the existing people that have already left comments on your videos. It might seem like it might take a minute, it might take a long time, but when you are actually engaging with people who are talking to you on your video, you are showing them that you care and that you actually appreciate them being there. Lastly, find that type of content that you say, you know what, no matter what time of day it is, what month it is, no matter how I'm feeling, I can make this type of content day after day, week after week, year after year, and you fall in love with that type of content. That is when you know you have found your niche, when you don't get tired, you don't get bored, you know, you have either enough knowledge of the subject, either enough energy in yourself to produce it. And no matter whether it's raining, sunny, snowing, busy in the economy, no matter what season it is, you know that you can produce that type of content. Hey guys, these are tips that have been proven. Make sure you comment below and let me know, hey, what do you think about this? Have you already tried some of these things? And what are you doing right now to grow your channel? I would love to hear from you, and I would love to find out what's working or not working for you. Also, let me know what other types of videos you would like to see in the comments below. All right guys, until next time, I will see you on the next video.